Who's ready for a time capsule?
Ignore him. Something's wrong with him.
This guy had to lift his Miata to make it through. It's treacherous. We've met the competition.
Yeah.
I mean, just peak.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to DC MotorWerks. My name is Cameron, and this is Beverly, my 1997 Chrysler Town Country LXi all-wheel drive. I know that is a mouthful, but it is that special. I got this from the original owner and bought it new in 1996. I've got the window sticker. It has all the provenance, just over 103,000 miles, have all the keys for it, and I thought, what better thing to do with my minivan, because I am a 90s kid. And nostalgia is a big thing as you get older, and this is exactly the van that my mom had when I was a little tot, albeit it was white. But I thought, what is the best thing to do with my minivan? Because survivor cars are all the excitement, and I thought I would take it to Radwood. So last weekend at the Amelia Island Concours, I took Beverly to the Radwood show. And like many other 90s kids like myself, everyone really enjoyed it, and it was really well received. We had a great time. We took a lot of video, we took a lot of pictures, so I hope you all enjoy our Radwood experience.
What the Who's ready for a time capsule?
So this is your van, huh?
No help for you.
Just look at it.
Oh!
Oh yeah, okay. See, he sees it. He sees it.
Cool. Cameron, did you hit your head again?
Tell me you're not impressed with 4MATIC. That's the worst you can do.
What did you... You got a sickness, my guy.
I didn't even know that. I think Montezuma went to his mind.
Yeah.
It's your man. I got gold wheels.
Man, you just took me back to
there.
high school.
It is a time capsule. Look at those boomer mirrors. Look at them.
Oh, man. We couldn't afford the leather seats.
And do you know your mom had one of these with those mirrors?
Not them here.
No.
You could not scrub this scent.
Oh, yeah. Give me the rear vent.
It's amazing.
See, look at him. He's loving it.
This took me back to high school. Thanks for
smells
that.
like boomers and Werthers. Smells like refrigerator.
I still don't, do you think anybody ever hung their, jacket from here?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Absolutely.
All the time.
The sport coat.
Wood
I got
trim?
gold pinstripe and gold wheels.
Where's the button at?
What are you gonna do with this turd?
I don't know.
Hey, you got a sickness. Can I
I do.
borrow it though?
I do. Yeah, all-wheel
Let me
drive.
take this home and tell Mama we're getting rid of the GL. This is what she's driving.
That's not a positive.
What about
This
that
is
dent?
taupe frost pearl, sir.
Let's get some air in the tires,
What do
huh?
we call this feature?
That's a PDR guy. He's coming.
Hey, if you make
But
money
look,
on
I
this,
got the gold waterfall grill
I'm telling
and
you,
the old bug deflector.
Both our brand.
You know that thing's been on there since new.
Andy.
Look at that, 3.8 liters. This was the big motor, sir. Old Michelin Harmonies. You know those things have been on there forever.
Spark plugs in this.
Oh yeah, new unit.
2010, baby.
Yeah.
This is just epically terrible.
Oh, it's so great.
That's quite the color.
To be fair, you don't like anything, Andy. Paul's going back.
Dude,
These springs collapse, or is it just normally that low?
That's the way they sit. Look, Charlie's already in there
yeah, he's
going.
ready to go to breakfast.
Manual doors, manual everything.
Are we starting a painting business, or what are we?
What? Oh, that's mean. That's mean. I gotta take the seats out first. Oh
Hold
man,
on,
Paul.
let me hear the transmission engage.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Look at him. Look at his excitement.
41 TE trying to figure out its life.
Yeah, see, I'm trying to see if you remember how to use a 41 TE.
So we're
Oh, look at this guy.
these are a feature.
Yeah.
Look at him reminiscing. Look at him.
Ours was blue.
Ignore him. Something's wrong with him.
See, the trick is when you get a new car, you just blindly do it and you'll get there. But if you check everything, something will break.
Oh.
I can confirm.
Okay.
Charlie's in love. Look at him.
I didn't know that. I'm sending it to my parents so they can have an aneurysm just thinking about
All the
the
maintenance
time
they had to put into it.
Yeah.
Look underneath it. It's like
I was gonna say, hold on.
If it had fresh stickers, that means it passed.
Paul's looking.
Dude.
I'm really questioning your sanity. Full drive.
I never told you I was
North.
sane.
You're only
hold on.
now questioning it?
This or a 642?
642.
What?
What? It's terrible.
Why? It'll get you where you're supposed to go.
And they're the wrong way.
Oh,
They
God.
made it four-wheel drive somehow.
I thought he was going to come home with a shaggin' van.
Now that would be better.
We're starting off the morning in Old Beverly, utilizing the all-wheel drive on the golf course.
You know, wet grass is tough, you know?
Wet grass is a big deal.
We did a few mounds.
This guy had to lift his Miata to make it through. It's treacherous. All right, we're doing it.
What's that?
Getting her cleaned up.
Beverly is ready.
So right across from Old Beverly here.
Had to join the provenance here. You couldn't tell.
We've met the competition.
Yeah.
There's yet another.
Hey, this one's already an award winner. It won last year.
Yeah, no, I heard all about it. When I said I was bringing this one to a bunch of people, they're like, dude, the purple Plymouth.
Yeah.
I'm like, we're going to one-up you with a Chrysler.
All right, so we're here at Radwood with my buddy Ed. I think it's the first time seeing what I brought. What do you think?
I am in awe, and obviously so is the rest of the crowd, gathering around the minivan. I mean, just peak Chrysler, iconic Radwood. You know, that not 04 rich, but mid-90s middle class.
Everyone's got a minivan memory, right?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, we were a Dodge family, but I can appreciate that there was a better option.
They were almost there. They got
That's
the
it.
Plymouth, they got the
Plymouth,
mid-level.
Sport, absolutely.
Proper purple, all the good
It's
stuff.
pretty
here.
much a prowler.
Oh yeah, maybe so.
That is the proper answer of a 640, a coupe in a Rancio Atlas with an Rancio Q Satura interior. Getting all my Ed knowledge in there. And it has to have the bright silver wheels. That's just the way to have them. Everything on it.
That's what I'm saying. Everything's
Same
same.
one we still use to this day. This is the previous VinWiki Yakuza Diablo, and this is the new owner, Matt, new good friend of mine, and he dressed up in all my proper guys. Taking things seriously here at the 2026 Radwood. This is entered as a royalty vehicle, and they were kind enough to park us sort of in the halo spot right here. Loving it as they pushed me off to the side.
Yeah.
In my full 90s beige dad outfit with my minivan.
It's pretty much the same color as the minivan. Yeah. It's all right.
All the taupe today. So this is a W220 Pullman. If you follow the channel for a while, you remember our Pullman, although this is an actual factory one, a proper one, not a limo converted one. But I've actually got Tim Fabrizio with me that bought the limo after we were done with it and continued its racing pedigree.
Destroyed it. Like, blew out every suspension component. We drifted that thing, jumped that thing, ripped that thing up, went off-road a little bit. I blew out the rear bags. I blew out the entire rear suspension, actually, every bushing. It was fun. We strapped the GMC badge to the front. We put bull horns on it. We dressed it up like a rally limo. I zip-tied a roof rack, a gas can, and spare tires to the roof. That was all zip ties. It was mounted nice. It worked. And this Reggie Pullman over, I'm sorry, Kurt. This regular Pullman over here is nothing like what I own. It's even a pre-face. So thank you, Cameron, for selling me a beautiful 69,000-mile limo that we absolutely destroyed. Jumped so hard that the Bondo cracked in half on it, and it was just an absolute awesome time. Whenever you get another one, let me know.
I'll be calling.
Please.
So here we have the original W211 E55 AMG, one of my favorites of all time. The supercharged, the original like European horsepower wars. And actually, at our shop at DC MotorWerks, we are working on manual converting a wagon E55. So, super special. Maybe we'll find the owner of this one, top them into 3 pedals for their Mercedes as well. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you very soon.
So that was the full Radwood experience with my 90s minivan, gold wheels, all the proper 90s stuff. And we've got some really cool other events coming up, so make sure to check those out. And let us know what else you'd like to see with the minivan here. I can't know that I really can top Radwood, but let us know in the comments down below what you think and what else you'd like to see here at DC MotorWerks. Like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and we'll see you all very soon.